Guys, I'm so super excited to try this. This is from Maybelline, New York, and is the SuperStay Matte Ink 16 Hours Liquid Matte Limited Edition Art by Ashley Longshore. So I'm so excited to try this one, and we do have light and red, and then purple, and I think it's more like a pink or a dark red with pink, something like that. But super excited to try this one, guys. Let's get started. This is a super cute lipstick. I love the packaging, and this is really nice. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start with this one. This is 120 is the number, and it's rolled. So let's try. This is the color, guys. And it's really cute. It makes your lips pump like bigger. So let's try to the next one. Next one, guys, is gonna be this. It's the second color. It's more like a purple lipstick. It's really pretty. So this color I'm not sure about for me, but it is really beautiful, guys. I think it's probably a different makeup look or something, but I'm not sure. Okay, the next one, guys, this is more red for me, and we'll see. Wow, it is. Wow, that's so red, guys. Look at this. This is the red color. Wow, but it's really pretty red, guys. It's so pretty. I like the way the red with this one. It's just so beautiful. I like it. I would definitely wear this when I go out or after the quarantine. So this is really pretty, guys. So a light one next. So my favorite, guys, of course, is the natural one. When I don't have a lipstick, you see. I don't think I have lips anymore. With this color, it's so light, and it looks like I don't have a lips anymore. So I think here, guys, is the color is underneath the red. So I think this color is beautiful for somebody, but for me it's more like I lost my lips. So what do you guys think, guys? Well, I decided that I really like this one, this red color. I like how it turned out to be, like, you know, it's not too bright or it's not too shiny. It's really pretty color, so I'm so happy with this one. And you know, all this color, it's so beautiful. It's just some color is not really for me, and it's definitely for somebody. Let me know, guys, which one your favorite. And that's the color right there, the tan or the light color. It's so light, so let me know, guys, which one you guys favorite below. So I'll see you guys for my next video. Thank you. Bye.